Hello, I'm Doug Rucker with Doug Rucker School, and I want to talk to you today a little bit about the online video school that I have available to anyone outside of the Houston, Texas area. This online video school has over 100 videos, and they are with topics ranging from starting your pressure washing and soft washing business, estimating jobs, customer contact. We'll talk about basics of house washing, roof cleaning, and driveway cleaning, chemical ratios and dilutions, soft washing using a pressure washer, and all, as well as setting up on the job site. I've also have recorded videos of me doing estimates in the field, as well as conversing with customers and what I'm looking for as I do them. Equipment setup, rinsing around doors and windows, testing for oxidation, and much, much more. The price right now, and as of the recording of this video, is $449 and only available to contractors outside the Houston area. The price is subject to change without notice, but once you pay, you have access to all current videos as well as videos that I post in the future. As a student of mine, you'll also have access to me via text, email, phone call for any further questions or consultation that you may have regarding estimates that you may run across, any type of stains you're having a problem cleaning, just anything that you need. I'm here to help make you successful. So visit the website, click on join, and I hope to see you on our online video school.